quickly can you multiply this out? 58 times 99. Can you get 5,742? Can you do that in your head without a calculator? How about this one? 823 times 999. Can you do that in your head and get 822,177? How about this one? Let's see. 148,595 times 999,999. Can you get 148 billion 594,851,405? Can you get that off the top of your head, or do you panic at the thought of not being able to use a calculator? Actually, it's very simple to do this type of multiplication once you know the trick. So let's take a look at the trick. And it's a very easy trick. If you can subtract, you can do this trick. Now this trick will allow you to multiply any number by a series of nines. And the main thing is that we want to have the same number of digits in the multiplier and the multiplicand. Okay, let's look at a first example. Here we're going to multiply 2-digit by 2-digit. So 32 times 99. So the multiplier, the 32, that has 2 digits, and the multiplicand has 2 digits. And notice that the multiplicand is all nines. So our trick says let's take the multiplier, let's take that 32 and subtract 1 from it. And if we do that, then we get a 31. So this 31 is the start of our answer. So we're going to write that 31 at the beginning here. And now what we do is we take that 31 and we find what are called the nines complements of this. So for this 3, for example, I do it digit by digit. I look at that 3 and I say, okay, what do I need to add to the 3 to make up 9? So in other words, I'm looking at 9 minus 3. Well, 9 minus 3 is 6. So 6 is the nines complement of 3. And I write that nines complement at the end of what I had written before. Now I do the same thing with the other digit. I look at this 1 and I want to find the nines complement of that 1. So I say, okay, what is 9 minus 1? Well, that's 8. So I append an 8 at the end of the answer there. And I've done this now for both digits, so I'm done. And now I can read my answer directly. So therefore, we have 32 times 99 is equal to 3,168. Very simple. No multiplication involved, really. All you have to do is be able to subtract. So let's take a look at another example. That was a 2-digit by 2-digit. For this second example, I'm going to go up to 3 digits. So I have, let's see, 764 times 999. So my multiplier, the 764, that has 3 digits. And the multiplicand, the 999, has 3 digits. And the multiplicand is all nines. So my trick says, let's take that multiplier and subtract 1 from it. So 764 minus 1 is 763. So actually my answer is going to start with that. So I'll write down that 763. And now I go with the complements, the nines complement for each digit of that. So I go and look at the 7 and I say, okay, what is the nines complement for the 7? So 9 minus 7 is 2. So I append a 2 at the end. Now I go to the next digit. I look at the 6. What's the nines complement for 6? 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So I append a 3 there. And now I've got one more digit to go. I look at that 3. And I say, okay, what's the nines complement of 3? 9 minus 3 is 6. So I append the 6 there. And now I'm done. I can read my answer. So therefore, we've got 764 times 999 is equal to 763,236. Super simple. All you have to do is subtract. Okay. Let's look at another 3-digit example. Okay, our third example, another 3-digit by 3-digit. Let's try 205 times 999. Okay, so again, we've got 3 digits in the multiplier and 3 digits in the multiplicand. And the multiplicand consists entirely of nines. So our trick says let's subtract 1 from the multiplier. So we get 204, and that is the start of our answer. It's the start of our product there. And now we go to the complements. So the complement, the nines complement of 2, we've got 9 minus 2 equals 7. So we append the 7 there. Now we go to the next digit, 0. It's 0, but we still treat it the same. The nines complement of 0 is 9 minus 0, which is 9. So append a 9 there. And then the final digit, we work with that 4. What's the nines complement of 4? 9 minus 4 equals 5. So our answer will have a 5 there at the end. And now we can read our answer directly. So we've got here, let's see, 205 times 999 is equal to 204,795. Really, really easy. So we've looked at, let's see, 2-digit by 2-digit and 3-digit by 3-digit. And this is good for any number of digits. Let's look at an example where we've got 4 digits involved. And I'll give you a chance to try this one on your own. So give this one a go. 4,914 times 9,999. What do you get when you try this? Okay, let's see. Our trick says subtract 1 from the multiplier. So we take 1 away from 4914, and we get 4913. Now we go with the complements. The complement of 4 is 5. The nines complement of 9 is 0. The nines complement of 1 is 8. And the nines complement of 3 is 6. So there is our answer. So we've got, let's see, we've got 49,135,086. Okay, here's another one to try. Example 5. 4,833 times 9,999. What do you get when you try that? So our trick says take that 4832, subtract 1 from it. So we get the 4832. And now we go with the complements. The 9's complement of 4 is 5. The 9's complement of 8 is 1. The 9's complement of 3 is 6. And the 9's complement of 2 is 7. So now we can read our number off. And the answer is 48,325,167. So this trick works when you've got the same number of digits in both the multiplier and the multiplicand.